So as you just saw, we moved our chickens again. We're moving our chickens every day if you haven't seen our other videos. And we'll be implementing that as well when we introduce them to our cattle. You can see again how much they've broken down each section that they've been in for the past few days. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is almost a week. So this is the newest area, the day before yesterday, the day before that, the day before that, and you can see how they're progressively coming back. The day before that, and then the day before that, and we actually started it down there. So they've been out here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So today's the 10th day. So almost a week they've been outside. So yeah, it's pretty effective. It's awesome. Grass is going to come back even more healthy since they've made manure and helped break up the soil and everything. So you can see out here in one of our fields, this is where we're going to be putting our 10 to 15 cows. So that should be pretty awesome. Everything's greening up, as you will have seen from our previous videos with the drone and everything. We have another chore to do. We have to go water our garden. We were waiting to see if it was supposed to rain today, but it didn't, so we're going to go water it. This will be one of the last few days that we actually have to water it by hand, because we're actually getting our water system taken care of this week, thank God. And then we're actually putting our tractor in the shop to replace its clutch, and we're also going to be getting a few farm implements, so that'll be a really cool video. I'll be getting box blade, some other things I can't remember off the top of my head, but quite a few actual pieces of equipment for our tractor. But yeah, we're just filling up our reservoir today. Right now it's going to take 2 fill-ups to water our garden, maybe 3, because I haven't checked the garden this morning, so I don't know how much bigger they got, but we'll check that out, water them, and like I said, it'll be one of the last few days this week that we actually have to water them by hand like this, which will save us time in the long run. Yeah, it might take us a day or two to get the water system up and running properly and at the rate of water in which we want to water our garden, but after we fine-tune it, get it working properly, it'll save us a bunch of headache, a bunch of time in the long run. Tomorrow we're actually going to be planting some more watermelon seeds. So in our last video I said that we're going to partition off half the garden for a bigger crop, and we decided upon Sugardales, I can't remember. Anyway, it's a type of watermelon. We're going to do half of that watermelon, and then half of the other one is going to be pumpkins. So we're going to get the watermelons in the ground ASAP, like I said, tomorrow, and then pumpkins sometime this week, so we can have them by this fall. So it should be pretty awesome. So yeah, we're going to finish filling this up, and we're going to get out to the garden, and I'll meet you there. So since the last time we shot out here, which was 2 days ago, look how these plants have just sprouted up so big. So this whole crop right here was planted 5 days ago, I believe, 5 or 6 days, and it already has this much growth. That is crazy. Look at that. I'm so happy about this. I'm so proud. Look at all these. These were planted that same day. They're already up. Need to pull out a little bit of grass that's growing up through here, but for the most part, it's looking amazing. We're gonna have a really good yield. Lots of food, Tristan.
Nope.
Tristan said no. No food. Only two food. My corn. That looks amazing. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna spare showing y'all us watering this. Well, maybe actually I'll show a little bit of us watering this, and then we'll take a little bit of a after shot of it actually being wet. It'll look pretty cool, I think. Those pumpkins are gonna be so big. Dang, that's really cool. Made that with our hands. Actually making food with our bare hands that we're gonna eat, we're gonna store, we're gonna sell. It's pretty dang exciting, from seed to that, and didn't kill that many, so that's really cool. So yeah, we're about to start watering this. We've had to water our garden for the past week or so, however long we've had it out here. I can't remember, but hopefully by the end of this week we won't have to do that anymore, so that'll be really awesome. But as you can see, all of our plants are becoming amazing. As you can see, I can't wait for this to grow up and look really cool. Like I said, we're going to be putting mulch in here, our watering system, so I think it's going to turn out really awesome looking when everything's done. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much. Like our stuff, like I've said before, share, comment down below if you want to. If not, then I understand, whatever. But yeah, I'll be seeing you Wednesday, and see ya.